Chevre, we're here 11/18/2026 at the OJBA Construction Expo. Chevre, let's go. Du gaan met water, maar do sky shot 3D. Alright, let's do this, Chevre. OJBA. Tom knows the bags. Sponsored by Score Spaces. Versteht sich. Doe met de andere bag. Wie veel bags darf man do hand? How's it going today? You caught any suspects coming in? Any bombs, guns? Nothing? Just me? Nothing yet? Sterlinish do. Whenever you walk in, you notice somebody sticking out. Wer? A Chabadske Yid. Gaat unten, right when you walk in is a Chabadske Yid, and gaat unten tefillin. That's the first thing. Unbelievable. The eerste man zijn leven? First time on Yad Kislev. On Yad Kislev.
Yes.
Chevre, the first time in his life putting on tefillin over here at the OJBA. Wow.
It's a very special mitzvah. It's like a bar mitzvah.
It's like a bar mitzvah, Chevre. Let's sing.
No, I've done it.
Simmin Tavi Mazel Tov. Beautiful. Yoeli Levkovich, the famous Yoeli Levkovich in the laundry store, in the mikvahs. Yoeli, what's the nice?
Chaim, Shalom Aleichem. Finally you made it here.
Finally.
Amazing. OJBA show 2025.
That's it.
So we do commercial washer dryers for buildings, for mikvahs, for nursing homes. Anything that you need commercial laundry equipment and service, we are the right number to call.
So what's the number to call?
718-210-1788.
1788.
Chaim, I'll tell you something amazing.
Laat me beginnen.
I have a guy over here. I saw him before passing by, and he's gonna say quickly what we did for him at job. Take the mic.
Oh, hold the mic by your mouth. What's the nice? What's your
Hi,
name?
how are you? Yanti Eigner. Joseph Eigner, work for BRG.
Okay.
At the Realty. We started using, we bought some of the machines, we use their service.
Really?
We love them. Very punctual. First of all, the install went smoothly and it was amazing. And it's a service, people, whenever there's an issue, or they know who to call, where to call, and it's promptly resolved.
Wow, how many buildings do you have these machines in?
I have them in four of my buildings.
Four buildings.
My company uses them in many of the other buildings. And
Nice.
Wherever we install them,
You have to update the machines with the card, tap with the app?
The tabs.
The app. What's
and everyone's very happy.
Baruch
Thank you
Hashem.
very much.
Baruch Hashem.
Joseph,
Yoeli?
pleasure to see you again.
The Olim
As
Sefrim.
always, anytime.
Yoeli, the Olim Sefrim, the nice apps. Next level.
Not only this, we have an amazing thing that we do in the buildings. We put in the machines, and we just give you a check every month in the mail.
What are you talking about? The company,
Yes.
They don't have to pay you the buildings?
Nothing. We invest in the machines, headache-free, and we put in the full system. We send on our technicians when something breaks. You don't have to pay for parts. Nothing. If you want to hear about that, let's bring in Robert. Robert, come on in. How many years are we doing for you this amazing service? Get in there.
How many years are you doing this for you,
Yeah.
Robert?
It's been 4 years now. Great service. Always on
Really?
time. Great guy.
How much did you pay for the machines?
0. That's the best part about it.
And he comes, fixes it, takes care of it.
Takes care of everything every month. The beginning of the month, I get a message. This is how much payment. He pays into my portal. I don't have to do anything.
I think I'm buying a building just to get Yoeli to come with
Best guy in
I'm making
town.
money over this.
You need machines and you need a service.
Best laundry store.
So what happens with a couple of locations that you have and the machines went down? What do you do then?
We call within the same day, next day, they're on time, fixing them and back up in service.
How about your tenants? Are they thrilled with it?
Love it.
Really?
Can't
They
complain.
can reach out directly as
They,
well.
they
and,
call him if there's a problem. They'll call me, send him a message, call his office. Very responsive.
Everything works with the apps, so we can refund them if there's any refund to give them, and it's so
Really?
so
The
simple.
app is the coolest
Yes.
thing.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
No problem. Pleasure.
Robert, thank you so much.
Yoeli, the Olim is happy. The Olim is
Yeah.
zufrieden.
But I want to bring out one more thing, okay? People think we're only doing in buildings. People doesn't realize we also do, in nursing homes and senior living centers.
The Olim
The
was
whole
hello. The
staff is
Olim
here.
came. The Olim
Absolutely.
all the high rollers, all the
Absolutely.
buildings.
All we did
So
for
give us the phone
everybody.
number one more time. What's the phone number?
Moshe, how's your buildings going over you? Everybody's stepping
Best
down.
service. The best
Kevin, look at this.
service.
Hundreds of people with buildings all go to Yoeli Levkovich.
Wow.
Yoeli, what's the phone number? The Olim going to get it clear.
718-210-1788.
And you can send the WhatsApp.
And you also can send the WhatsApp. I'll give you the WhatsApp number and also the email, info@golaundrystore.com. And Chaim, it's a pleasure.
Yoeli, nog een zaak. The
Yes.
mikvahs, that's your side hustle. The main
Yes.
business is that. But I got times of the mikvahs over here because today in the morning I couldn't get into the mikvah. I cash up a grab, credit card was in my car, and I come to the mikvah, it's cold, and I couldn't get in because you made it very tight lately. You can't fit 2 people in.
I'll tell you even more. Now we have also fingerprints for the mikvahs, and also we have face recognition.
No
Not only
way.
this, we also sell turnstiles by construction sites.
Oh.
So if construction sites has to be protected, we do turnstiles.
Yoeli, I'm Bakush. I'm making it a little wider so 2 people can fit in.
We'll put in the request.
You
We'll
put in the
into
request.
box,
Kevin,
right?
the newest machines, mikvahs,
Yeah.
everything you got you covered, Yoeli. Awesome. Alechtig until Yoeli.
Okay, thank you.
Why are you sleeping today, Yaakov? We're at Expo.
Oh, because my office is covered by TCO.
What's so nice? Film me.
TCO Office Services is your one-stop shop for your whole back office. We take full responsibility for your office. the secretarial work, bookkeeping, accounts payables, receivables, collections, payroll, graphic design work, whatever you need done for your office, we got your back. You can sit and relax. We got the rest.
No way. So you actually bring your clients these chairs as well, or tilt the chair?
Listen, we can make arrangements for the chairs as well, but as of right now, they're not included in the service.
So again, so a guy gives a phone call to you. What's your phone number?
It's 844-303-6334, but I'll give you my cell phone number just for the watchers,
cell phone number.
just for the
Nice.
watchers of this video. 845-540-3488. You can reach me on the phone, text, WhatsApp. 845-540-3488.
And a guy messages you, and you take care of whatever he needs secretarial work. You're not an outsourcer. You're not giving him some guy in Philippines or anywhere and saying, hey, this is your secretary now. That means you have a company, in-house people who are doing the secretary work, and if something doesn't get covered, he calls up you and he says, hey, Yaakov, why is that paper not in? Why is that bill not paid? Why is the invoice still open?
I don't think they're gonna have to call me and say, hey, Yaakov, because it's all gonna be done.
Happen.
My team is, I do have some employees overseas, but they're my employees and they're my headache. You don't have to worry about them. We guarantee the work.
You guarantee the work.
Yes.
Chevre, this is something different. This is like a legit payroll company. You take care from A to Z. The payrolls,
100%.
everything secretarial is covered. Wow. Chevre, can you imagine just sitting on a chair and chilling your whole entire life because everything is taken care of?
See, I don't necessarily chill. I also take Atzula calls.
Kevin, a shout out to Atzula member, RH
183.
183,
C194.
Catskill 194. For all your medical needs, reach out to him. Kevin, Hotzma Lechtingentug, stay tuned.
I don't do too much.
Kevin, look at this. Look at what's going on over here, Kevin. Kessler. Kevin, Busser Booker, du Pastrami, heiße Pastrami from Izzy's Smokehouse. Look at the line, Kevin, look at the line. Line guy do Bizda, the other man do Booker, fingers, potatoes. The other man's in house over here. We've heard of lab-grown diamonds, but we never heard of lab-grown wood. Sam at Accent Co is going to give us a little detail about this new lab-grown wood. Sam, take it away.
We got them in wood looking, we got them in marble looking, we got them in stone looking, we got acoustic, we got wallpaper looking, we got everything covered. We have 50 different profiles, we have 250 different colors, endless. Metallics, wood looking, wallpaper looking, we got them all.
Wow.
You choose designers, developers, here we go. We
These
got
are all
the acoustics, we got with the wood slats in the front.
So this is not wood.
This is not wood.
Covers
It's a
that piece
fraction
of
the price.
plastic. So
Correct.
give me an S. Wow, look at this. This is the coolest thing out there today.
The ceiling, yes.
So
This is very good for office buildings.
Very
You want to
cool
bring that
looking.
cover up. Let's say, look at the ceiling over here. You see all the
ceilings here, right?
stuff? You can cover it up. You put on these slats. You cover it up in no time. It's a clip system. Very easy installation. Extremely
Really?
easy installation. All the mill workers, they love it. Number one, because of the price. Then number
What are
two,
you? I
because
say
of the
quarter
look.
the price of wood?
Less than that.
Less than a quarter of the price.
A lot less.
Oh my goodness! Wow.
Perfect.
When it comes to
And
huge places, you talk about
Huge
saving
places, you save thousands of that.
And you cover nursing homes, hospitals. I mean anything.
Nursing homes, building lobbies, amenity spaces. We got tons and tons and tons of gyms. We have done like 4 different gyms.
Wow.
They want to cover up the ceiling. They don't want to spend too much money. You cover up the ceiling. We have them all in flat panels. We have them all as well. So it matches. If you want to do
Crazy.
some flat panels, some fluted panels, you mix them up based on the design.
Nice.
We work with all designers. You tell us what you need. I will show you exactly what we got.
Wow. What's the phone number to reach out?
So the phone number I'll give you over here, my company information. So you can reach out to WhatsApp.
There's no number over there.
There is
Oh,
a number,
there's the
there's
number.
a number.
716-222-3681. Sam Muller. Now you do countrywide, right?
Countrywide.
Countrywide.
We're doing now nursing homes in Florida. We're doing in Virginia. We're doing in California. I've done a show almost next to what is it called?
Canada.
Canada. Yeah. How do you know?
Buffalo.
Buffalo. Right.
Nice,
We do.
nice.
We work with mainly mill workers, designers, developers. They love our products.
Kevin, you gotta see it to believe it, because when you look at it through the camera, through the video,
Look at the
this is
Jerusalem stone. We
this is
have them in
crazy.
different colors.
You gotta touch it, because through the video, Kevin, it looks exactly like stone, but look at this. Hollow. Piece of plastic. Crazy. Fraction of
Album
price.
material. Yes.
Reach out to Sam Muller, put the phone up on the screen, and Kevin, this is crazy. Unreal. Actually, a cool idea. You get to pick a key, and if it opens up the lock, you win the prize inside. Cool idea. What's so nice? Ik ga met de guy nog geld met een shop op de fish club. Let's go.
Look at his company. It's called Safe Key.
Safe key.
Watch out, he's dangerous.
It's actually cool. Let's go. Open it.
This guy.
So let's see if we're gonna get the key. No way, no. Do any keys actually work, or they're all like?
Two keys in here that work. We
Oh,
have
yeah?
two winners already.
Nice. What do you win? What's the prize?
Good stuff in here. Google stuff, big
Nice,
coupon.
nice. Da Menachem from Pitex. Die was doch die Isha marketer. Wo suchst du auf der Matze dort vibe?
First of all, it's beautiful. Klar, es kommt noch einmal raus, einen ganzen Tag. Ich gebe eine Spanisch zusammen sehr. So, das ist die schönste Sache in der Park. Die zweite Sache ist, amul hast du gehabt, als du kein Abschied, als du gewollt bauen ein Building, als du gewollt bauen Construction, als du treibt sich eins zu der billigste oder der Goy. Hand, Baruch Hashem, kannst du sehen, was auch so wie Hand, you could build up a skyscraper, every single component of that building, including the tissues for the toilets, and the mailbox, everything could be done by Ins Klal Yisrael. So support Abridit. Try to get business for the zweiten Bridit, because the economy, if the guest Panusa for the Bridit, kommt zurück.
That's it.
We have our own economy.
Wo ist du bei Ditchen gesucht, was Expo?
Ich habe gesagt, kijk, viele wenn man dit business davenen, man hat es in der Davenen, man hat es in der Bruches, mit alles feine Wort.
Very good, very
But one
good.
thing that somebody reminded me, I said last year, if you come to a show, don't forget, it's all about building relationship, not to close sales. You start a relationship, einer mich früher gesagt, 4 Jahre zurück hat gemacht a relationship, so he thought 4 years the person should come by, and now he's one of his biggest clients. You never know, you have to do your status, Hashem schickt dir das.
Man, ich come to next to you.
Okay, I'll be
Nice,
here,
go
Mr.
ahead.
Shem.
And we're doing with Mechi Fishbein from Half Staff. Mechi, give me a little content over what did you do with that booth?
So basically, it's providing a staff overseas, and it's stimmen a bisschen different wie alle companies overseas. It's actually maintained met de arbeiders. A lot of companies can brengen een arbeider. It's actually help met de arbeider a long term for your company. So it provide met arbeiders for overseas, Philippines and Central America. En het hebben we gehad, veel clients hebben doorgekomen vroeger. En wat ze hebben gedaan is, ze hebben niet gehad kan zaad. Ze brengen een promotional item te teilen, als squash ball. So ze hebben eraan to the lottery store. En we hebben pick lotteries. En whoever scans in the barcode and saved in the status, dan komt een nieuwe lottery Lucky 7.
No way.
Some people say that it's because $7 an hour starting.
Hebben we gewonnen lottery son?
Yeah, so it's how we do a pool winners actually.
No way, cute idea. So have to save the status and you got a lottery. Well, $7 an hour is what you get.
And we do provide services for the industry, OJBA, which is property management companies. A lot of property management companies have bilingual employees, English and Spanish. And in-home staff, we sit in our office, other arbeiten remote, that can provide full property management support, and we maintain them for a very long time.
How do you, what's the trick? What's the trick that you maintain your staff?
That's really the secret sauce. It is a lot of arbeit, since like around, some multiple people in charge, quality control, and some of specific hired people for quality control that are there to listen to the employee, to provide them everything that they need in order for their life to grow for them. So if we make the employees grow, we can have our clients grow as well.
Nice. What's the phone number to somebody to reach out and hire an employee by you?
You can reach out to me directly. I don't know the number off the top of my head. So my number is 917-586-7557. 917-586-7557.
Look at that. Look at that. He's giving his own number. Es du verdich, sein ganzer hart. You're here to give yourself away for the client. Whatever he needs, call you on a personal number. Mechi from Half Staff for all your outsourcing needs. Mechi is there for you, Gevre. Shkoich, Mechi.
Last lottery.
Come on, lottery. Let's take a scratch over here. Let me this guy do gewinnen. Give me something just with a little alcohol, but shake it up.
Give me something good, shake it up. No alcohol.
Wie zoekt die Giel Zeitlin? Shake it, shake it. Shake it, shake it. Make it shake. Let's go. You'll shake it? Make it shake, make it shake.
Make two.
What's the nice, dude?
2 of them, no alcohol?
Put the Brooklyn Bridge Park down over here. You got Nissi sitting over there chilling. Very cool matzah here. Good vibe, good vibe, good vibe. Gevre de Zimmer steht und bereit für trinken, get the trinken, get the vibes. Nice, nice. Gevre de Platz ist immer gedreht. Going to the officers. Here we have Spritzy. What's so nice? Spritzy, how much do you make an hour?
Today, let's see if I break it down. Depends how many hours. They paid me a flat fee to be here. So I don't know.
Got it.
Depends how many hours I stay here.
Spritzy, let me see how you do your vlog. Ask these guys how much they make an hour, these police officers. Do it for me.
You mean on my X Everyday channel?
Exactly.
On that channel?
Let's go. Ask the boys here. How much you guys make an hour?
1 second, we'll do it.
Let me see you do it.
Excuse me,
Spitz-
sir.
Spitz is famous for that.
What do SWAT team people usually get paid around? What's the salary?
It depends on what your agency is. It's
100?
Maybe like close to around there, early
100.
six figures.
Really?
Do you enjoy your job?
Yeah, I love it.
What's your favorite part of the job?
Just being able to help people. Like,
Help people.
stuff like this, shaking hands, saying,
How many years does it take to get into this elite? If you're in the police, how many years do you need to be? 5 years, 10 years?
I mean, it depends on everybody's different areas.
Military background helps?
I mean, yes, I do have a military background.
There you go. Very cool.
Which part of the military? Marine Corps?
Army.
Thank you for your service.
Oh, I really appreciate it.
Take care.
Have a good one.
Follow me on X Everyday People to learn about people's careers, business, and opportunities. And of course, continue following the great Chaim Perlowitz show.
Thank
all
you,
the time.
thank you. Kevin, this is Sully Pesach booth. It's a propaganda. It's a marketing technique. Just charges like that. You get to sit down, charge your phone, and he makes you sit down right there in the chair, and he gets to talk to you.
The point is, I
and
took the chairs from that table and I moved it over here so people can
That's a
actually have a
legit
seat.
propaganda. Wow.
Gotta do what you gotta do. I have my wingman Malti. Gets Malti?
How about the guy come up here?
Malti. How about the? Beautiful.
The boys.
I want to tell you one thing. When you finish aisle, sit down for 2 minutes because your legs are gonna break by the time you get to number 6.
Oh, very good. Good idea.
Deal?
Look at this guy. Look at this vibe. Look at the vibe over here. The tzitzis guy.
I hope I get a free ad for this.
Who made you the tzitzis?
You get it at Farkas to license.
Farkas. So you're saying you do marketing for Farkas to license now?
Absolutely. I told me, give me a nice pair of tzitzis, I'll market for you. 100%.
Nice. Farkas we got. What's your company?
Company is Integrity Steel Solutions.
I think I have nicer tzitzis than you.
Yeah?
What's
No,
so
no,
nice?
I give.
Yidl. I saw you yesterday singing by a wedding. He has tries to do with payroll, Yidl. What's so nice, Yidl? Talk to me. Talk to me, Yidl. Here's the horse, my friend.
Yeah. It's a beautiful show.
We did 10x. Iced coffee.
10x from BC Lumber, 10x.
10x BC Lumber. Don't invite us, we party this summer.
Exactly.
We party this summer.
Yeah.
This guy does a vlog. Me ging Yidl gagstick. What's so nice.
It's good to see you, Asher.
Kevin, push the table over.
The paparazzi, dude.
Okay. Your feet have to be together the whole time. Put your phone down. Your feet got to be together the whole time, okay? Kevin, feet have to stay together the whole time. You're on Friday now, okay? When I say Shabbos, we jump to this side, okay? When I say Friday, we jump back to this side. 1, 2, 3, go. Friday. You guys are good, okay? Shabbos. Friday. Shabbos. Oh, you're out, and you're out. They're gonna win it, okay? 1, 2, 3, go. Friday. Shabbos. Friday. Oh, go! Yeah, we got a winner. Yiddy Haas won the Perlowitz card for $100 at flat.
Thank you.
Go, you
Simple payroll, Pimsy Friday.